Good day, welcome to Google Earth Engine. I call it G. I want to carry out analysis using Google Earth Engine. I want to carry out analysis for a state, the urban heat map of Ondo State and the land surface temperature. Here I have my Earth Explorer. After coming through my Earth Explorer, importing the shapefile that I want to use to carry out this analysis. This is the boundary I want to use for the analysis. This is Ondo State, Nigeria. So after importing in the shapefile for this Ondo State boundary, for me to download out this Landsat is going to require a lot of data and require a lot of time for analyzing the imagery. And at the end of the day, I realized that I could use Google Earth Engine to carry out this task effectively, and it's going to save much of my time because using Google Earth Engine, it's much faster, no massive download for local storage, everything is available on the cloud, Google server, and also it makes me to filter Landsat collections directly to clip to the boundary area. It is also better handling for tropical challenges and also have easier visualization, export and integration of the VMD, that's the variation mode decomposition, which I want to carry out. Now, walking you through Google Earth Engine, the first thing I did was to register for Google Earth Engine using this particular link. I'll drop the link on my video description. After doing the registration, filling in the details, the form, I have the Earth Engine landing page here. You can see welcome to Earth Engine landing page, and we have the tags. Here I have the tags. Here I have the configuration, and coming to this is where I perform every task analysis. Here we have the link code.earthengine.google.com. I've also dropped this on the video description. Now we have the script. From this script here, you filter the script. We have the docs for the algorithms, fmax, Landsat, algorithm imagery, Sentia 2, temporal segmentation, and likes. You can see geometry, everything is available on the cloud. This is the assets where you can add in your boundary, like I'll be adding in my boundary. This is just the introductions to the Google Earth. I'm introducing you to Google Earth Engine. Now I have this is where I input my code script, then I run reset. Here we have the map. Inside this map, I can decide to change it to satellite and likes, and we have the COSO, we have the tags, and we have the inspector. And here we have your profile, personal profile. This is the project that I'm currently working on that was created, and that is the basic things, the basic information you need to know for Google Earth Engine. On my next video, I'll walk you through on how to perform a detailed analysis using Google Earth Engine. If you found the video helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel.